In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your media view from list view to thumbnail view in Filmora. Now, I've just added media files in my media project here, but I don't like this list view. I'd like to go ahead and change this into thumbnail view so that I can be able to see what is contained on each file. To do so, it is quite simple. Just head over to these three dots and then click on it. Now, select view, and you can see the current view style is list view. So if you want to change this to large thumbnails, go ahead and click on large thumbnails, and this will go ahead and convert files here in my media to large thumbnail view. So that's how you can change your media file view from list view to thumbnail view. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.